Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So this is by this brand right here, and it is a bedazzling kit. Let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in here. So it comes with all of this, and these are the beads, and then this just tells you a little bit about it. So it comes with this, and this is what you kind of trace out your pattern if you're making one, which you can see a little bit of white right here because I put some stickers on, traced it, and that's how I was able to get the wording. And it comes with 2 of those. It comes with 3 things of glue, which I love this glue. It comes with a pencil sharpener, this little scooper. It comes with 2 of these, and then some tweezers, which I will be using. So, you can see these are the beads that I'm working with. Let me go ahead and kind of straighten this out a little bit. And I've been using this glue right here. They do say for fabrics that the Gorilla Glue works better. I'm hoping this lasts. I've seen like mixed reviews on this. So I'm really hoping that I can wash this and stuff. I'll probably wash it by hand just because I love this so much. Put hours into this so far. As you can see, this is what they look like. I think I'm gonna do this pink right here, because I don't think I have that color in here yet. So what I do is you're just gonna grab the glue. I work in small sections because it dries pretty quick. This has a little point to where it keeps the glue from getting nasty. And then you can just grab some of the things that you're working with, stick them on there, shake it, and they just put them right there. And then you're gonna get your tweezers and just start dropping them. That has 2 beads on it. So I'm gonna do a different one, dang it. Another thing that helps when you're like working with these size of beads, if you're able to get one of these, if you want to just work a little faster, this works great. This is what I like to use. I switch back and forth between the glue, these and that, depending on the area. So just like that, and then you're just gonna keep going and bedazzling, and this stuff works great. You can use this for a lot of different surfaces. You can use it on cups, fabric, pretty much anything, and this glue is versatile. Although it does not say that it's actually made for fabric, I've seen people actually use it on fabric, so I am hoping that it does last, because this is a lot of work I'm putting onto this jacket, and I love it. And that is how easy it is to do.